Hi Glow Gang, I'm Christine.
And I'm Sarah.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
We're so excited to introduce our new Powerhouse Overnight Treatment for dramatically smoother, hydrated, and brighter skin. The Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment.
You may notice that it has a similar look to our OG product, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And that's because Night Treatment was born after many brainstorms about how to revamp sleeping mask with our labs.
After listening to our customers and playing around with different ingredients, we realized we created an entirely new treatment with advanced technology.
Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment was formulated with an innovative blend of best-in-class, clinically tested ingredients to resurface, hydrate, and brighten skin while you sleep.
Growing up in Korea, our grandmothers used to rub watermelon rind on our skin in the hot summer months to soothe and cool heat rashes and irritation. Antioxidant-rich watermelon hydrates skin quickly, while watermelon enzymes provide gentle exfoliation and nourishment.
Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment is formulated with a concentrated 2.5% pH-balanced AHA complex, which is as powerful and efficacious as 10% glycolic acid without irritation. This concentrated AHA releases slower than traditional AHAs, making it gentle on skin.
7 weights of hyaluronic acid target all layers of skin for immediate and long-term moisturization, resulting in plump and intensely hydrated skin.
Niacinamide helps to brighten the overall complexion, reduces the look of pores, and minimizes the appearance of hyperpigmentation, while quinoa peptides firm and plump the skin.
It truly transforms skin overnight, so you wake up with radiant and smooth, glowing skin.
It's incredible for all skin types from oily to dry and sensitive skin. We recommend using it 2 to 3 times a week at first, and when you work your way up, it can also be used daily since it is very gentle.
Apply a generous amount of this lightweight gel as the final step of your evening routine and pat gently until absorbed. Then wake up to dramatically smoother, hydrated, and brighter skin, essentially creating the perfect canvas for makeup-ready skin.
When you need a reset for your skin, or if you just want to wake up with that incredible glow, reach for Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. Until next time,
get your glow on!